What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we're doing a little work on the Harley truck. Unfortunately, I've been running ragged today, all over the place like crazy. It's been ridiculous. So unfortunately, I didn't get to be here for some of the work that's being done, like removing the rear axles. Yes, rear axle bearings, rear grease seals. After I had the rear differential service done on the truck, the driver's side axle seal started leaking. So I figured, going to be in there, might as well do the bearings. So we got new bearings. We got new axle seals for the front and the rear. I got new drilled and slotted rotors for the front and the rear. New carbon infused brake pads for the front and the rear. And all of this is getting done today. And I got to give a big shout out to my brother Tim and to Will. You guys remember Will? He's over here somewhere working on this thing. Hello. What's up, man? Hey. Yeah, you guys remember Will? He was on here before.
Hi, guys.
He's the mobile mechanic that comes out here, man. I can't thank him enough. You guys, anybody local, Oklahoma City area, God, you do. Yukon, Moore, Midwest City, Choctaw. Like, if you're in this area, you gotta give him a call. I'm telling you, nobody is gonna beat his rates. And he is Ford. Sir, how many certifications you got with Ford? 28. 28. He's got 28 Ford certifications. All right, so I trust him working on the Ford. But don't worry, he's also ASE certified. Yep. He's got a what's your website? WilliamMobileMechanic.com. Go check him out over there. And guys, if you're local, trust me, you want to use him. You want to use him. It's like going to the dealer without having to pay the dealer prices. And I'll be honest with you, Ford recently did the front bearings on this truck. And we're going to check those out in a minute. The front driver's side bearing was replaced by the Ford dealership not that long ago. And guess what? The front bearings are going bad on the side that they did. But first, let's check out this drilled and slotted rotor real quick. Take a look at this bad boy. We got 4 of these to go on to help this truck stop better. We got new bearings, new seals. See if we can find the old bearing. Where's one of the old bearings that I can show? Oh, were they broken? Yeah. They were?
Yeah, they were no big.
Here's, to give you an idea, this is one of the bearings right here. So the bearings were bad.
Right here.
Oh, crap. Wow. No joke. Well, I'm glad I didn't try to drive this to Indiana. I have a funeral to go to, and I don't really have a car to take. All that I have really left is the truck that I could trust on a trip like this. And I noticed on the way to Dallas, the truck started making groaning and moaning noises. It's like all the bearings decided to go out at once. So here's one of the rear bearings, guys. And here's the other one. Completely came apart. Look at that. Here's the old seal. Things were leaking. It's bad. I mean, it's got 180,000 miles on it, you know. You expect things like this are going to happen. I'm just glad we're getting it taken care of. Front bearings, rear bearings. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, I got this truck up for sale. I put this truck up for sale. I know you guys are going to hate me for this. Yeah, I didn't tell you, Tim?
No.
I put it up for sale cheap, too.
Sure.
I got it up for $99.95.
You better not.
I'm serious.
You better not.
It's been for sale for 2 days. I got somebody coming tonight that wants to look at it. And if it sells, great. And if not, then, I mean, I'm driving this to Indiana, I guess. It's either this or the Caprice. I'll have to do a video about that if I try driving the Caprice to Indiana. Yeah, $99.95, guys. You guys know I paid, what, $7,800 for it? $600 for new tires. The cost of all these parts, I mean, it was over $500 for the bearings, for the drilled and slotted rotors, for the brake pads that are carbon infused, like the transmission service, complete flush, plus filter, plus pan gasket. New differential fluid. It's got fresh oil filter, a new supercharger pump. I mean, we put some money in this. Honestly, at the rate it's going, I probably shouldn't even sell it. Truthfully, I mean, it doesn't leak any. There's nothing really left to do to it, other than we could do a tune-up and a few things. I'd probably get some coils to put on it, do a quick tune-up on it or something. Yeah, otherwise this thing is, God, this thing's coming together. Look how those rotors look in there. Look at that. Those look real nice. Real nice. All right. We'll come back when we're working on the front, and we'll check out what the front bearings look like, especially on this driver's side, because that one sounded horrible.
Got Will and Randy out here working on the F-150 again.
Look, I did good. I did good.
Mama said them was his special shoes.
Yeah, show him that rotor over there.
We got the rears and the fronts are done now.
Well, not done. They're almost done.
For the most part. Got the rear differential fluid changed. We got the rotors all taken care of. Brake pads replaced. Bearings replaced. It's been fun and hot.
Pretty much all the bearings were bad. Well, except for the one on the passenger side. Those were still good. But what a mess, man. Watch out, because I had some grease on the floor there. I hope you didn't step in it.
Yeah, this guy just grabs a handful of grease right out of the jar with his bare hands.
So you just dig in there and you just shove grease all over it.
We're from a time before carcinogens were a thing.
Yeah, we're not worried about it. And then you got Will over here. He's almost done. He's making me look like a grandpa over here. I mean, he's just
yeah.
When you hire him to do it, like I'm telling you, he comes out here and he just gets it done. Like, I can't believe how fast he does it. But I mean, he comes out here and he just gets it done. He's like, all right, thank you, see you later.
Yeah.
Like, if you want it done right the first time and you want it done quick, you know, they used to say that you can't have it done right, and you can't have it done quickly, and you can't have it done inexpensively. You know, you got to pick like one or the other. You can get it done fast and cheap, but it's going to be bad quality. You can get it done fast with good quality, but it's going to cost you very reasonable prices, guys. Like, I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Oklahoma City area, check this guy out. I'll link his, you've got a website, Will Mobile Mechanic, right?
Yeah, William Mobile Mechanic.
William Mobile Mechanic. Just pull it up on Google, guys. I'm going to put a link in the description for you. You want this guy to work on your car, believe me. And hey, he'll give you a better deal if you get out here and actually help him, you know? But hey, if you don't want to help him, he'll do the work too. You're not going to find a better deal out here in the Oklahoma City area than this guy. You won't, flat out. Let's get this done, and we'll get back to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Harley truck is done. That is all 4 bearings, new rotors, new carbon fiber infused brake pads, new rear differential cover, and new fluid royal purple. Hey, she's running and driving very well. Tell me this does not look aggressive, right? Look at that. Can you see this right here? I mean, it just, dang. I think those drilled and slotted rotors look phenomenal. The truck is clean, and we may have a buyer for it. God, I know you guys are going to hate me for selling it. My fiance hates me for even thinking about selling it. Quite honestly, I'm starting to hate myself for even considering selling it. I love this truck. But if any of you have followed me for any length of time, you know how this goes, man. I can't keep anything. I don't know what it is. I swear, my fiance kind of agrees with me. I think I might have some kind of a disorder. Like, seriously. Like, even when I think I'm going to hang on, I almost fell. Did you see that? Even when I think I'm going to hang on to something, even when I fully intend to keep something, if I don't have a loan on it, I don't keep it. The only reason the vet is still here is because I owe money on it. You know, otherwise that would probably be gone as well. I can't keep anything, and it's a real issue. And it's not about making a profit. You know, like this truck, this isn't about a profit. Chances are I'm not going to make any money on this. More likely I'm going to lose a little bit on it. It's not about profit or loss. It's just I get bored with something, and I just need to play with something new. It's hard. It really is like a disorder. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I've been this way many years now. Didn't used to be this way. It's something that kind of happened when I got tired of playing women, and then I like transferred that over to cars. And you know, I'm a good guy now. I don't cheat or mess around on my woman, but boy, my cars, I'll trade them, swap them in a heartbeat, man. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Big shout out to Tim for helping out today, and a big shout out to William. Like I said, I'll have a link to his website in the description. If you're local to Oklahoma City, this general area out here, man, he will come to you, and he's very reasonably priced. I'm telling you, this guy does phenomenal work. He really does. So give him a shot. Tell him Randy from YouTube sent you, and tell him Randy with the Harley Davidson truck. He'll know what you're talking about, and maybe he'll give you a better deal. He didn't guarantee that, but maybe he'll give you a better deal. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. And as always, stay safe out there, folks. We will catch you all very soon with more updates in the next one.